All right, we are going to give Eric some
Cinnamon.
ground cinnamon.
Cinnamon
And
challenge.
It's a nice heaping tablespoon, teaspoonful here.
Alright.
All right, ready?
Don't do this at home? Is that, do you say that?
Sure.
Don't do this at home. Okay, ready?
Man. It's okay. It's hot, man. That's weird. It like tickles my back.
Okay, Jake.
Alright.
He's trying to swallow the cinnamon, and it's coming out his nose.
It's okay.
You can spit the rest out.
It's okay, Hattie. It's kind of weird, wasn't it?
It's okay. That's good.
It was weird, wasn't it?